Hey guys, one of the biggest factor when it comes to ranking your website on the first page of the search result is actually backlink. If you don't have a backlink, guys, your website will not be shown in the first page of the search result of search engine. It can be Google, Yahoo, and Bing, and this is where BacklinkMaker is all about. With this software, you'll be able to create unlimited backlink without you having to lift your finger, and this can help you guys rank your website on the first page of the search result. You can also use this tool to rank your videos on the first page of the search result, and I myself, guys, actually use a lot of backlink to rank my content or to get eyeballs into my content, to get eyeballs, clicks, and most especially, guys, sales. Right now, with this tool, you'll be able to create unlimited high quality backlinks for your blogs, website, for your YouTube videos as well. Right, you can rank higher on Google, Bing, and Yahoo with no extra effort. You can get unlimited real related buyer traffic and sales, fully autopilot, no manual work. You can get fast indexing, because you're gonna have to index your website, right? Especially if you have a brand new website, you need to have a backlink. Not just backlink, guys, high quality backlink. This is a cloud-based web application. That means you can get access to this in the cloud. You can also access this using your mobile phone, right? So as you can see, I'm here inside of the dashboard of BacklinkMaker, and it's really easy to use, guys. But before, I'm going to show you the demo of this, how this works, how you can create unlimited backlinks, and how you can rank your website on the first page of the search result. Let me show you first my bonuses. That way, when you guys pick this up, through the link down in the description of this video, you will get access as well to additional value that will really help you guys out, surefire your success with BacklinkMaker. And when you guys click the link below this video, which is the first link, it will bring you guys to my bonus page right here. So this is my bonus page for BacklinkMaker, and when you guys scroll down at the bottom portion of this page, you will gonna get access to all of my bonuses right here. My bonus number 1, I'm gonna give you guys access to my exact method. This is my YouTube optimization method to get eyeballs, clicks, and most especially, guys, sales. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. All right, and then I'm gonna also give you guys access to a software, another software. I'm gonna explain to you what the software inside of this training right here. All right, so this can save you guys, and this can help you rank your YouTube videos as well, and get eyeballs and clicks, and most especially, guys, sales into whatever product or offer that you're trying to promote online. Alright, so that is my bonus number 1. My bonus number 2, I'm gonna give you access, guys, to a bot. This is a software that will help you guys get free traffic from Twitter. It will give you free followers. So if you have a website, you can create a page, or you can create your profile page inside of Twitter, and this software will automatically get you guys free follower on Autopilot using a bot, which is really powerful, and you will get real people and real follower in your Twitter account. Right, so that is my bonus number 2. My bonus number 3, I'm gonna give you access, guys, to instant content creator software. Now, content is king, right? Now, if you don't have a content, then it's really impossible, especially if you're not a copywriter. This tool can really help you guys out create content. Alright, so that is my bonus number 3. My bonus number 4, I'm gonna show you guys how to get free $100 to $500 voucher that you can use, guys, if you wanted to run ads using using Google ads or Yahoo or Bing ads, or this can save you guys hundreds of thousands of dollars. If you wanted to drive traffic using paid ads, then you can use this voucher to save hundreds of dollars with paid ads if you wanted to run paid ads into your website. Alright, and then my bonus number 5 is all vendor bonus. Right, so those are all of my bonuses. If you guys would love to pick up backlink maker through the link down in the description of this video. Now let me take you guys inside, and by the way guys, when you click any of these buttons right here, it will take you to the sales page. So this is the sales page of BacklinkMaker. The headline says award-winning software gets you unlimited real backlinks and free buyer traffic on Autopilot with 0 monthly payment. Now there are other solutions out there that you can also use to generate backlink, but you're gonna have to pay for a monthly subscription, right? Now I'm not saying that this is the best solutions out there. This is just an option if you wanted to save hundreds of dollars and get your website on the first page of the search result. All right, now let me walk you through inside of the members area, or inside of the dashboard of this tool right here. So this is where you see how much backlinks you've generated today, and the total backlink that you've generated this month, the total users, and the visits per day. All right, so just click on this backlink generator right here, and all you have to do guys is put the domain name of your website. So let's say I'm gonna use my website right here. Click on submit, and that's all you have to do guys. Just put your website, and then submit your website, and it will automatically give you this backlinks from your website to help you guys rank your website on the first page of that search result. And it will probably take a couple of minutes right here for this software to finish submitting or indexing or creating your backlink in the back end. And this is all Autopilot. As you can see, it has this success message right here, right? And it will probably take you a couple of minutes for you to be able to finish creating your backlink. All right, this also comes with YouTube ranking tools right here guys. You will get access to YouTube to MP3 converter. You can also use this find video tags, thumbnail, or find thumbnail, and this animated thumbnail as well, and then this username checker right here. And this comes with website analytics tool as well. You can just basically put a domain or a website URL into this, and it will automatically analyze the problem of that website. This comes with SEO and server tools, and there are so many tools as well is included inside of this server tools and SEO tools right here. This comes with thumbnail creator. Now you can also create thumbnail inside of this software right here, and there is a tutorial section right here, support and bonuses. This is where you get access to all of your bonuses right here, right? So yeah, these are, by the way, the bonuses from the vendor. You will get access to Maze Maker plus a reseller license. You will get access guys to card maker, right? And all of other bonuses is included as well. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much my review of BacklinkMaker guys. If you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comments section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And again guys, all of my bonuses are waiting for you inside of your Warrior Plus account, and you can get instant access to all of these bonuses instantly after your purchase of BacklinkMaker. And for some reason you can access to all of these bonuses, all you have to do is send me out an email. I have an email below this video. That way you can always reach me out. I'm gonna send you these bonuses personally. That way you can start using these bonuses. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.